Hi guys, this is your boy Mair. Today we are making chili chicken, so let's get straight into the video.
So for chili chicken, I have boneless meat of chicken, of course. This is chicken breast meat actually. You can use red meat as well, but I prefer white meat though. First thing guys, you're gonna add some salt to it. Now we're gonna add some black pepper. I'm adding whole purpose flour. Now just let's mix everything up. Alright guys, so everything is mixed up now, so we're gonna let it sit for 5 to 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, we're gonna just grab our chicken pieces and dump it into the hot oil like this. So I'm gonna cook it until the chicken is brown coated. I mean, it's slightly brown. So these pieces are slightly brown. I'm gonna just dish them out and put it in a separate container. So we are done with the frying. Let's move to the next process. So we're gonna add tomato sauce. Some red chili sauce. Some red chili powder. Adding some vinegar. To give a little bit kick, I'm adding some garam masala. So after 10 minutes of frying this sauce, I'm adding some fresh chilies to it. And now we are adding our chicken right here in the sauce. And the green bell pepper chopped. It's kind of a diamond shaped cut, so I can just add that. I'm gonna just cover this now and leave it for 10 minutes on a slow heat. Alright, so this is all done. Let me dish this out and show you the final product.